In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of Notion, one of the most talked about productivity and workspace apps, and help you decide if it's the tool you should be using to organize your notes, tasks, projects, and knowledge. Notion is built around flexibility. Instead of forcing you into one way of working, it gives you a blank canvas where you can create pages, databases, task lists, wikis, and even dashboards. You can use it as a simple notebook, a personal planner, a project management hub, or a collaborative workspace for your team, and you can switch between all those modes without changing apps. For people who have struggled with scattered notes, multiple to-do apps, and disjointed systems, Notion promises a single place where everything lives together. One of the things users love most is how customizable it is. You can start with a template or build something from scratch, whether that's a habit tracker, content calendar, reading list, job pipeline, or anything you can think of. You can embed media, link pages together, create tables that act like lightweight databases, add calendars and boards, and organize information in ways that suit your mind rather than forcing you into a rigid structure. That versatility is especially appealing if you like to tailor systems to your exact workflow. Another strong point is collaboration. Notion supports shared workspaces, comments, mentions, and real-time editing, which makes it useful for teams as well as individuals. If you and your team need to co-author documents, organize shared knowledge, or track tasks collectively, Notion gives you visibility and context in one place. It also works across devices, so whether you're on desktop, tablet, or phone, your workspace stays synced and accessible. But Notion is not without its trade-offs. Because it's so flexible, there's a learning curve. Some users report that they spend a lot of time building their perfect system and then adjusting it, which can feel like more work than the actual tasks they're trying to manage. For beginners, the sheer number of options can feel overwhelming until you settle into a workflow that sticks. If you just want a simple notepad or to-do list app, Notion might feel too heavy or complicated. Performance can also be a concern. When you build large or complex databases, embed lots of content, or use many nested pages, Notion can become slower to load or navigate, which affects speed, especially on mobile devices. Offline support exists, but it's not as robust as some dedicated offline note apps. So if you often work without an internet connection, you may find limitations. Another point to consider is that Notion is a generalist. It combines notes, tasks, databases, and collaboration in one place, but it doesn't go as deep as tools that specialize in one of those areas. For example, dedicated project management apps might offer more advanced task scheduling, automated workflows, or detailed reporting, and specialized note apps might have stronger writing experience or offline reliability. Notion's strength is breadth, not niche depth. For privacy and ownership, Notion stores your content in the cloud. That's great for sync and accessibility, but if you're someone who wants full local control or strong offline capabilities without limitations, you may prefer tools that prioritize local storage or end-to-end encryption. If you're wondering who Notion is best for, it suits creative thinkers, planners, organizers, and teams that appreciate flexibility and want a central space for knowledge, notes, and processes. It's especially strong for people who like to build their own systems rather than rely on rigid templates or fixed layouts. On the other hand, if you want something ultra-simple, lightweight, or purely task-focused, Notion might feel like too much tool and not enough clarity. Overall, Notion is one of the most flexible productivity platforms available today. It rewards creativity and structure, helps eliminate scattered tools, and gives you a unified place to store ideas, plans, and projects. It takes a little time to master, but once you do, it can become a powerful hub for your work and life. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Notion or are considering switching to it. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel,